Today, let's cook chicken breast on stove. Hello everyone, welcome back, and I hope everybody is doing great. In today's video, as I said, I am making easy chicken breast on stove. It is very simple to cook, and trust me, you are going to love the process as well. All you need to do is to trust this process. I'll start by cleaning the chicken with just water. Also, I have cut the chicken breast in smaller sizes because it helps me cook faster and properly, and I'll suggest you do the same. Now I'd add a quarter cup of oil into my frying pan and just wait for it to get hot. As soon as I'm quite sure that the oil is hot enough, I'll proceed to add 1 teaspoon of dry thyme, 1 teaspoon of curry powder. I'd also be adding half teaspoon of salt and 1 stock cube. Many people call this bouillon cube, other people call it seasoning cube. I call it stock cube, so it's all the same. Now I'll mix all the ingredients very well to combine well with the oil. As I said earlier, this is an easy chicken breast recipe. As a matter of fact, this is an easy 4 ingredients chicken breast recipe that I think you will love. After arranging my chicken breast in the cooking oil, I'll make sure everything sits in the oil. So I'd suggest that if you're cooking more chicken breast, use a bigger pan or a bigger pot. This is because the chicken breast must stay in the oil. Now I'll cover and cook for 3 minutes on medium heat. And while I do this, I like to introduce myself. I am the online cook. Welcome to the online cook food vlog, where I share amazing food recipes that I think you will love. This is what the chicken breasts look like after 3 minutes of cooking on medium heat. So I'll turn to the other side to get the other side to cook as well. As I was saying, on this food blog, I make Nigerian food cooking easy at home. And in general, if you would like to experiment, if you'd like to learn more about African food cooking, well, I also make African food cooking easy at home. So welcome once again. If you're yet to like this video, do well to like this video, leave your comment. Also subscribe to this channel and share this video if you find it helpful. After turning, I'll cover the pot and cook again for 3 minutes on medium heat. This is what my chicken breast looks like after 3 minutes, extra 3 minutes on medium heat. So if you're thinking about how long it takes to cook chicken breast on stove, I would say that I cook my chicken breast on stove for about 8 minutes, and it turns out delicious, nice and lovely. Everything is properly fried. So what I would do now is I'll just allow it to sit in the oil, and I'll continue to fry for 2 extra minutes, and this makes the total cooking time 8 minutes. My chicken breast always comes out tasting delicious and nice, and I love to add them to some salad for breakfast. Okay, so at this point it's time for me to take them out of the cooking oil, and I was just looking for the best position or the best place to put the plates so that you can see everything that is going on in the kitchen. Take a look at my delicious properly cooked chicken breast. This is one simple recipe that I think you will love. And if you're experimenting, if you like to cook chicken and you're interested in chicken recipe, you should try this one. It's tasty, it is delicious, and it is so nice. And I'm so glad that you decided to trust the process and you watched this video to this point. It's so nice to have you here. It's so nice to know that I'm talking to you. It feels great, I have to say. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you would subscribe to this channel because I'll be showing you exactly what I use my chicken breast to cook. It's a delicious meal. It's lovely, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, I'll take off the cooking oil and I'll show you the finished product. This is my cooked chicken breast. Make sure you have a lovely time. Bye.